In this tutorial, you will learn the basic operations of the skeleton transfer tool. So let's switch to it now. Once switched, you can see there is an interchangeable base character shown in the right scene. In this tutorial, we will change its shape, the shape of this character to another one. And then we also transfer skeleton and skin weights from another character to this one. Let's first check it's a skeleton and skin weights. To check it, click this button then. Click this button. Then a window pops up. You see Edit Skeleton 1 where 1 means this scene. You can see the skeleton here if you click each bone. Then for each bone you can check its skin weights by clicking this button. Select here. Show skin weights then. You can click back to this bone. Let's close this window now. Click this. The first step here is we need to change the shape of this character to another one we want. Suppose if we want to change the shape to the body shape of an avatar used by the marvelous designer. To do this, click this button. Then go back to the cloth converter tutorials material. In that tutorial, we matched the shape of an interchangeable character to the body shape of a marvelous designer avatar and exported the shape to a shapefile. This is the shapefile exported. Let's import it now. You'll see the shape is changed. But if you check its skeleton by clicking this button again, you see the skeleton is not changed. And as well the skin weights now. We need transfer the skeleton and skin weights from another interchangeable character to this one. Let's close this window. In this tutorial, we transfer the skeleton and skin weights of a metahuman base character. To do this, click this button. Then click the interchangeable character, which was created before and corresponds to a metahuman character, female, media height, normal weight. The character is loaded. Let's check its skeleton and the skin weights. To do this, click this button. Then click this button. You see a new window pop up. You see Edit Skeleton 0 where 0 means this sense. This you can see it's a skeleton and you can check the skin weights by checking this box. Now let's transfer the skeleton and skin weights from this character to this character. To do this, click this button. Then click this button. Then select this transfer from a character in other sense. Okay, it's done. Now let's check its skeleton and skin weights. Again, click this button and click this button. You see the skeleton here is the Metahumia skeleton. We can also check the skin weights. Click here, you can see the transferred skin weights. Now let's check the animation pose. You see the animation pose is the animation pose of the source character base character. But the bind pose is the original pose of the target character, not its animation pose. But the bind pose and animation pose of the source character are the same, so we need to match the bind pose of the target character to its animation pose. To do this, let's click this button. Match local rotations of bind pose to animation pose. Click this button. So now the both poses are matched. You see the bind pose and animation pose are the same. Let's close this window. Then let's go back to Edit Meshes mode. Then export this one to an interchangeable base character asset, such as this one. Let's export it. Click Yes. Yes. We have finished skeleton transfer. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.